Fastest Painter's Guide. Pay attention, try to learn and memorize. To texture a 3D model, you need a model. Export the model to FBX from your program. I have Maya. In Substance Painter, click File, New Project. For example, we will use the model in Unreal Engine. Select our 3D model file. I want the resolution to be high. Normal map format can be changed at any time. Stare at your cool 3D model and the best UV. Get high. Before texturing, you should definitely get the initial maps. This is called baking. Texture set settings. Mesh maps. Bake mesh maps. Texture resolution 4K. If you're painting without a high poly model, check the box here. On the left, I see the list of maps I'll get. Bake selected textures. Return to painting mode. Now you're ready to make art. Layers. Add fill layer. Choose red color, for example. Now you need to specify the places where the red color will be. Right-click, add black mask. Right-click, add paint. Now you can either paint with a brush or select individual objects or individual UV islands. Let's add another layer, but in a different color. Let's paint on the model. Our beautiful 3D model is ready. Now we need to export the textures as separate files. File. Export textures. Output directory. It is desirable to create a separate folder for this in advance. Export. Your great model is ready to be exported to the game. You know where your textures are located. Now you know the approximate workflow in Substance Painter. Like and subscribe to the channel if you liked the video.